back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing to share with you guys. So Claudia sent me 2 packages, but today I'm going to be unboxing one of them, and then you guys will see the other one in a different video, just to keep the videos at a good length. But she actually sent these a little while back, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to share with you guys. I've been trying to film all of my unboxings like ASAP so I can start like putting the stuff away. I finally started reorganizing the game room, which is kind of like a game room slash storage room. And so I organized it a little bit better, and now I put all of my craft stuff into one section so that sometime this week I can start going through each box and putting it away and finding a place for it, just to make more room in there. But yeah, I noticed that I want to say maybe about 60% of that room is all me. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So this is everything that she sent me. Like I said, there's one more package, but that will be in a different video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm just going to go ahead and just start grabbing whatever's in the box, and I'm just going to start opening it. So here's just a little bag. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So she sent me some little mini ears. Oh my goodness, I love that. And I was planning to go to Disney, but because we haven't gotten my daughter's new birth certificate yet, I had to cancel that. But look at how cute that is. I'm definitely going to save this for my next Disney trip. Super cute. One for me and one for my daughter. I love that. Thank you, Claudia. Thank you so much. Alright, so then next she sent a bag filled with pens. Oh my god, look at how cute the bag is. It has like little ghosts on it. I'm just going to go ahead and take them all out. Again, if you guys don't remember, I think Claudia was decluttering her craft room because she downsized or moved or something. So that's why she's sending me the stuff that she couldn't keep anymore. But this is like a plushy little cat pen. Super cute. Here's another one in green. I love all these novelty pens. They're so cute. This one's like a little tiger or something. Super cute. Here we have a little unicorn. And then over here we have a fluffy pom-pom. Oh my goodness, look at how cute. That's like a little owl. Super adorable. He has blue ears. I love that. Over here we have one that has like a little gem on it. Super cute and blue. This one is super gorgeous. It's a blue one with a pearl on the top. Oh, I love this one. So pretty. Over here we have a stamp roller. This one has the months. Super cute. I love that. Over here we just have like a little, what is this? I think it's just like a decorative piece. Decorative pieces. Here's another one in like a white gold. Super pretty. I love that. Here we have this like slinky one that's so cute, almost has like a little emoji face on it. Here we have the one with the fur, and it has different color ink. Here we have another one, but in a unicorn theme. Super cute. I remember I loved these kind of pens. Here we have another one. These look almost so kawaii. I love that. Here we have a little tiny one. Super cute. And then here's just like a little heart chain. Oh, here we have a corn pen. That's so cute. Here we have another stamp. This one is, I can't really see, but it has like a lot of different words in it. And then over here we have a red and white gem pen. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Here we have one with a star. This one looks like a pencil. Here we have another one in a lavender. Super cute. The dinosaur. I love that. This one's a flower with the floral gem on the top. And then this one's another pencil. Here we have some paper clips. Here's another one of that little one. And just some like little beads and gems. Awesome. Thank you so much, Claudia. Super appreciate it. Here we have some stamp inks from Craftsmart. Super cute. And then we have a little plushie. Oh, it's a little plushie wallet. How cute is that? You can put like your coins, your chapstick, put it in your keys. I love that. That's so cute. Alright, next we have a whole bag of washi tape. I'm not going to open it. There's a lot of different washi tape in here. Oh my gosh, there's some Crafty-licious in there. There's some bows. Super cute. Love that. Thank you. And then here we have some, ooh, it's a little jar with Happy Planner disc rings. How awesome. Here we have some paper clips. Oh my goodness, I love the size, and they're like a purple color. Here's a gold one that's snuck in there. Oh, how awesome. I love that. Thank you, Claudia. So cute. Alright, next we have a little notebook with a novelty pen, unicorn theme, super cute. I love that. And then over here we have some fun Christmas. Is it like, yeah, it's like a Christmas theme. There's like little die cards. How cute. Little envelopes, tags. It has like little dividers and dashboards. That is so cute. I'm gonna have to try to figure out something with this. I love that. And then we have some, oh, we have some lashes. I actually wore them for the first time. I posted a picture on my Instagram. They felt so weird, but they look so cute. Here we have some, and they have the glue. Awesome. And then lastly, we have a file folder. Ooh, this is super cute. I love the color. There's like paper in here and an adhesive pocket. So this is good for like sticker storage and just storing like little odds and ends. I love the color. And then the notebook. This one says Beach Holidays. Super cute. You guys know I use these notebooks for my work notes. I go through them quite a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, Claudia, thank you so much. I super appreciate all of this. I love it. Now I have to organize it. Thank you so much for thinking about me and sending me all these amazing goodies. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Let Claudia know how amazing she is in the comments down below. As always, if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.